Hello, my name is Niall McKenna. Today we are doing a couple of demos of Hatski's Cook and Dine. Today we've got, over the Christmas period, we're doing a click and collect from Hatski's. So in this box here, they're classic dishes from James Street and Hatski's combined. So online, people can order, book their dishes online, and in here today we have got on our menu, and there's a choice of 3 starters, 3 mains and 3 desserts, plus all the rest of the menu: tomahawk, chateaubriand, so there's a total selection of everything. And in here today we have got really 3 dishes. We've got a lovely chocolate tart, chocolate and caramel tart, salt caramel tart. We've got a prawn cocktail, and we've also then got turkey, which we've got everything ready to go. So this is exactly the same way we do it in all our restaurants. It's a butter poached turkey, which is the simplest way of doing it and keeping it lovely and moist. We've got some beautiful sprouts with ham hock, pre-cooked, a little bit of butter in there, seasoned it all ready to go. So they're very, very simple, seasoned, ready to go, absolutely beautiful. And that's everything in there. So in this tub here, we've got a lovely fondue potato. We've got a fondue potato, we've got a slow cooked carrot, all ready to go, and we've got some gravy. And the key thing about this is the simplicity of the dish. And that's it. So whenever you order it, and you bring it home, you take it out of the box, and I'm going to show you exactly the way to cook it and plate it up. And you will not believe how simple it is.